solve exactly, mod 3x minus 1 is less than or equal to mod x plus 1. Well, I always find a sketch helps with these. I know there's various ways of doing them. So this would intercept the x-axis when x is 1/3. So that's going to go here. And so that's going to look something like that. And I know that this would be y is 3x minus 1, this branch down here. And this one would be negative 3x plus 1. Now this one would hit here at negative 1. Should probably put on that this one was at the third. And so that's going to go something like this. And this branch here would be y equals x plus 1. And the one over here would be y is negative x, take away 1. And we can see there's 2 points of intersection. And from here we're looking at where the blue one is below the red one. So that's just in between these values here. So this intersection here is where negative 3x add 1 is equal to x plus 1. Rearranging that gives us 2x equals 0, so therefore x is 0. This one here is where 3x minus 1 intersects x plus 1, so 2x equals 2, x equals 1, and we can see blue below red in between, so therefore x, and this is a less than or equal to, greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 1. So, mod x squared minus 4 is greater than 2. Again, I'd quite like a sketch. So let's start off with y equals x squared minus 4 without the modulus. So that's going to come down like this. And we'll intersect here at negative 2 and 2. So if we do the modulus, that follows it here and here, and then we'll reflect up like so, going through 4 here. Now we want where this is greater than 2, so let's stick on here y equals 2. So we can see it's greater from here back this way, from here this way, and in between here and here. Now, this part and this part are parts of the original x squared minus 4, whereas this part in the middle is 4 minus x squared. So, x squared minus 4 is equal to 2. Gives me x squared is 6, so x is going to be plus or minus the square root of 6. If we do 4 minus x squared is equal to 2, that gives me x squared is 2, so x is plus or minus root 2. So this is a root 2, this one's a root 2, and so we can see that we want x to be in between negative root 2 and root 2. Going back this way is x being less than negative root 6, and going forward this way is x being more than root 6.